In this video, I will show you how to download CyberGhost VPN on your Samsung TV so you can enjoy a smoother, safer, and unrestricted streaming experience. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Start by visiting the official CyberGhost website. Once you're there, log into your account by selecting the My Account option. After logging in, locate and open the Smart DNS section. You'll need to activate your IP address. This step is essential because it links your home network to CyberGhost's Smart DNS service. Once your IP address is activated, choose a DNS server that best fits your needs. If your main goal is to unblock streaming platforms, make sure you select a server listed under the Streaming tab, as these are optimized for the best streaming performance and access to geo-restricted content. After finishing the setup on the website, move to your Samsung Smart TV. Open the Settings menu and select Network. Then go to Network Status to check your connection. From there, choose IP Settings, and within that menu, open DNS Settings. Change the mode to Enter manually, allowing you to input your own custom DNS. When prompted, select DNS Server and carefully type in the DNS address that you can find in your CyberGhost online account. After entering the DNS address, confirm your changes by selecting OK, then restart your TV to ensure all adjustments are properly applied. Once your TV turns back on, your CyberGhost Smart DNS setup will be complete and ready to use. From this point on, you'll notice a significant difference: smoother streaming, faster loading times, and access to more content libraries around the world. Most importantly, your connection will be more private and secure. Now, before we wrap up, if you're using CyberGhost VPN on your Samsung TV, you might notice that sometimes the connection can be a bit inconsistent or the speed drops depending on the server you choose. That's pretty common with most VPNs when streaming or gaming on smart TVs. So if you're looking for something that performs a bit better overall, NordVPN is the best choice. It offers faster speeds, more stable connections, and extra features that make gaming smoother. I have included a link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.